Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here. I'm Alex, and I'm ready to learn and laugh today. Ah,
That's perfect, Alex, because today we are starting a big and exciting journey, present indefinite tense.
wow. Sounds serious, but I know you'll make it fun, Lily.
Of course, English without fun is like coffee without sugar. So, friends, imagine we are walking in a park right now. Look around, Alex. What do you see?
I see trees, children, birds, and, I see people jogging.
Great. Now listen carefully. When we talk about daily habits, routines, or general truths, we use present indefinite tense.
So, like, people jog in the park?
Exactly. Perfect sentence. Perfect. Let's break it down. Structure. Subject plus base verb plus s or es for he, she, it. Examples from the park. I walk in the park every morning. You enjoy fresh air. We feel relaxed here. They play football.
Wait. What about he, she, it? I always get confused.
Don't worry. English students and confusion are best friends. Listen carefully. He walks in the park. She reads a book. The dog runs fast. When it's he, she, it, we add s or es.
So the bird flies, not fly?
Exactly. The bird flies. See, you're already flying in English. Let's say some real-life examples. I wake up early. Alex drinks water after walking. Children laugh loudly. The sun rises in the east.
Ah, that one is a general truth, right?
Yes, perfect. Present indefinite is used for daily routine, habits, facts, general truths.
After walking, I feel tired. Let's go to a coffee shop.
Great idea. And wow, this place smells amazing.
So, Lily, can we use present indefinite here too?
Of course. Listen, I drink coffee every day. You like hot coffee. The waiter serves coffee politely. This shop opens at 8 a.m.
Oh, so opens because the shop is it?
Yes, high five. You're learning fast. Let's add some fun sentences. Alex loves coffee more than tea. Lily teaches English with coffee power. People chat and smile here.
Coffee makes English easier.
Absolutely. Coffee plus English equals happiness. So, friends, remember, present indefinite, subject plus base verb. Add s or es with he, she, it.
And we used examples from a park and a coffee shop. That really helps.
Yes, learning English from real life is the best way. So, Alex, after coffee, where do you want to go next?
Shopping mall. I want to buy shoes, but I never buy shoes.
That sounds like a perfect place to learn questions in English.
Questions? Like asking prices?
Exactly. Friends, when we make questions in present indefinite tense, we use do or does plus subject plus base verb. Let's see some examples in the mall. Do you like shopping? Do people buy clothes here? Do we need money?
Yes, that last one is very important.
Yes, without money, shopping is just window shopping.
Wait, Lily. What about he, she, it again?
Good question. When the subject is he, she, it, we use does. Examples. Does he work here? Does she sell shoes? Does the shop open at 10 a.m.? Remember, in questions, the verb goes back to base form.
So we say, does she sell shoes? Not sells?
Exactly. Brilliant. Let's have some fun questions. Do you check prices first? Do people spend too much money here? Does Alex always say, I'll buy it later?
Yes, I do, and later never comes.
Now imagine we enter a school classroom.
Oh no, school again?
Don't worry, this classroom is friendly, just like our channel. Here are some present indefinite questions in school life. Do students learn English here? Do teachers give homework? Do we understand the lesson?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Honest answer. That's how learning works. Now with he, she, it. Does the teacher explain clearly? Does the bell ring at 10 a.m.? Does this class help students?
Yes, this class helps students a lot.
Thank you. That makes me very happy. Alex, answer quickly. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I do.
Does Lily talk too much?
Yes, she does, but we love it.
Alex, why are you checking your watch again and again? That's the perfect moment to learn negative questions.
Negative questions? That sounds serious.
Not at all. They're very common in daily life. Listen carefully. Don't you wait for the bus every day? Doesn't this bus come on time? Don't people get angry here?
Yes, everyone gets angry here.
Exactly. Negative questions often show surprise, emotion, or expectation. Formal way. Do you not take this bus daily? Does he not arrive early? Informal way, more common. Don't you take this bus daily? Doesn't he arrive early?
So don't and doesn't are used more in speaking.
Yes, especially in conversations like ours.
Okay, Lily, we reached the office. Everyone looks busy.
Yes, offices are perfect for negative questions. Don't you work from 9 to 5? Doesn't the manager check emails daily? Don't employees follow office rules?
They do when the boss is watching.
Very honest answer. Negative questions express feelings. Don't you care about your job? Emotion. Doesn't she know the deadline? Surprise. Don't we need teamwork? Expectation.
Oh, so it's not just grammar, it's emotion too.
Exactly. English is alive. Alex, make a negative question.
Don't you drink coffee at work?
Perfect. One more.
Doesn't he arrive on time?
Excellent. Friends, remember, negative interrogative present indefinite use don't or doesn't. Verb stays base form, shows emotion, surprise, expectation.
And we practiced at a bus stop and an office. Very practical.
Alex, don't worry. We are just visiting a hospital to learn English, not for injections.
Oh, thank goodness. I don't like injections at all.
And again, you used a negative sentence perfectly.
See? English comes naturally when I'm scared.
Let's start with simple affirmative sentences. Doctors work very hard. Nurses help patients. This hospital opens at 8 a.m. Patients wait in the lobby.
The doctor checks patients every day, right?
Exactly. Great sentence. Now let's ask some questions. Do doctors work at night? Do patients feel nervous here? Does the doctor arrive on time?
Most of the time, yes.
Honest answers are the best. Now some negative sentences. I do not feel well today. Patients do not ignore doctor's advice. Alex, look, the park is so peaceful today.
Yes, people walk, children play, and birds sing beautifully.
Perfect. You just made 3 affirmative sentences in present indefinite.
Haha, that's my talent.
Friends, let's make a small story using present indefinite tense. Imagine a day in the park. I come to the park every morning. I sit on this bench and watch people. Children play around me. Dogs run happily. I smile and feel relaxed.
Wow, that's so peaceful. Let me try. I meet my friend here every day. We talk about our plans. We drink juice from the park shop. We laugh a lot.
Love it. Stories make grammar fun and easy. Now let's add some questions and negatives. Don't you enjoy mornings in the park? Does she come here every day? I do not run fast, but I walk happily. They do not play when it rains.
Perfect. It's like real life, not textbook sentences. Okay, Lily, time to go home. Let's take the bus.
Great. Let's make some sentences from this bus ride. People sit and read newspapers. The bus moves slowly in traffic. Drivers drive carefully. I look outside and enjoy the view.
And I listen to music and relax.
Do you take the bus every day? Does he reach office on time? I do not sleep on the bus. She does not talk loudly.
Yes, very practical sentences for daily life.
Alex, make a short story.
I wake up early, I eat breakfast, I catch the bus, I talk to my friend, I smile all day.
Beautiful. Friends, see how easy present indefinite becomes with stories? Friends, today we used present indefinite in real-life storytelling. Affirmative, questions, negatives.
And we practiced at a park bench and on a bus. Very realistic.
Alex, finally we are home. Let's review everything we learned about present indefinite tense.
Yes, from park to bus, hospital to market, I think I can speak English everywhere now.
Perfect. Let's start with affirmative sentences. I drink tea every morning. He plays football. They read books. We enjoy learning English.
Yes, and for questions, do you like tea? Does he play football? Do they read books? Does she enjoy music?
Excellent. And negative sentences. I do not drink coffee at night. He does not watch TV every day. We do not forget our homework. They do not run in the library.
Haha, yes, that last one is very important.
Now let's add negative interrogative sentences. Don't you like flowers? Doesn't he water the plants? Don't we enjoy fresh air here? Doesn't she smile every morning?
Yes, and I do not ignore the garden. It's beautiful.
Alex, remember your funny sentences?
Yes, I do not run fast at the gym and I do not sleep on the bus.
Perfect. That's how learning is fun. English becomes easy when we use it in real life.
And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons. That's right.
And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot to us. We love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.